Hello everyone. Today our topic is JDBC connectivity in advanced Java. Let me start with a simple question. Have you ever wondered how a Java application like a college management system actually talks to a database sitting on a server somewhere else? That connection, sending SQL and getting rows back is handled by JDBC. Over the next few minutes, we'll walk through how JDBC works, its key interfaces, and how to write a complete connect query close sequence. What is JDBC? Let's begin by understanding what JDBC is. JDBC stands for Java Database Connectivity. It is a standard Java API that allows Java applications to connect with relational databases such as MySQL, Oracle, and PostgreSQL. One of its biggest advantages is platform independence. The same Java code can work with different databases by simply using the appropriate JDBC driver. In a typical workflow, the Java application communicates with the JDBC API, which interacts with the database through the JDBC driver. Finally, the driver manager class establishes a connection object, creating a live session between the application and the database. JDBC driver types. JDBC provides 4 types of drivers for connecting Java applications to databases. Type 1, the JDBC ODBC bridge, is obsolete and no longer used. Type 2 relies on native database libraries, while Type 3 communicates through a middleware server. The most widely used is Type 4, also called the thin driver. It is a pure Java driver that connects directly to the database, offering high performance, portability, and easy deployment without requiring any native libraries. Connecting to a database. Let's understand the steps involved in connecting a Java application to a database using JDBC. First, the JDBC driver is loaded automatically in modern Java. Next, a connection is established using the driver manager class. Then, a statement or prepared statement is created to execute SQL commands. After that, the required query or update is executed and the results are processed using a result set. Finally, all resources, including the result set, statement, and connection, are close to release database resources efficiently. KJDBC interfaces. JDBC is built around a few essential interfaces and classes. The driver manager class manages database drivers and creates database connections. A connection object represents an active session with the database. Statement is used to execute simple SQL queries, while prepared statement executes precompiled parameterized queries, improving performance and security. Callable statement is used for stored procedures, and result set retrieves query results, allowing data to be read row by row and column by column. Choosing a statement type. Choosing the right JDBC statement is important for both performance and security. Use a statement for simple SQL commands that don't require user input. For most applications, prepared statement is the best choice because it uses parameterized queries, improves performance, and protects against SQL injection attacks. Use callable statement only when you need to execute stored procedures in the database. As a best practice, always use prepared statement unless you're specifically calling a stored procedure. Executing a query in JDBC follows a simple process. First, define the database URL and SQL query with placeholders. Next, open a database connection and create a prepared statement. Bind the required parameters, execute the query, and retrieve the results using a result set. Finally, process each row of data and use try with resources to automatically close the connection, statement, and result set, ensuring efficient resource management. For JDBC best practices, to write efficient and secure JDBC applications, follow a few important best practices. Always use prepared statement to prevent SQL injection attacks. Use try with resources to automatically close database resources. Reuse prepared statement objects for repeated queries to improve performance. For applications with many users, use a connection pool such as Hikari CP. Finally, use batch processing for multiple inserts or updates to reduce database communication and improve overall performance.